So, what is going on with the real estate market? Is it up? Is it down? Who knows? Well, actually, I do know. Welcome to the June 2023 Real Estate Market Update. Hi, everyone. My name is ttran, your go to local Bay Area realtor. And I cannot believe that we are already halfway through the year. Time flies by so fast. 4th of July is just around the corner. And in this video, I'm going to share with you the current housing market and what to expect in the coming summer months. As of right now, we are seeing strong demand for housing with an all-time inventory low. And in the past 30 days, San Jose sale price went up again. No surprise there, considering the amount of open house traffic that we are seeing. It's up about 5% compared to a month ago, and it went from a low 1.5 million to now a 1.6 million. And within a span of a month, buyers are either have to spend more money for the same house or they have to buy less home. And the house value is pretty much has caught up with where it was last year, with very minor difference in the median sale price. And last year we saw 1.8 million as a median sale price, and right now we're at 1.6 million as a median sale price for a single family home. And for townhome and condo, we are also seeing similar trends where the sale price is up about 4% month to month, and it is up to where the median price was last year of 850,000. Silicon Valley is very, very special. The moment you see it down, you have to jump in. Do not wait around for it to bottom out because you will definitely miss the boat. Now that we're here, price already caught up to where it was last year. So let's look across the bay to Fremont and East Bay. It's very good market in the last 30 days. Price is about the same in May as it was in June, with May median price of 1.65 million. And currently the median price in the last 30 days is around 1.625. And I do want to point out that San Jose is a huge city. We typically see about 200 to 300 units sold in a given month. And so the data is very easy to see trend. But with Fremont being a much smaller city with about 30 to 40 properties sold in a given month, the chart is a little bit more choppy. And in the last few months, we are seeing inventory of home coming on the market at about a steady pace of 30 to 40 home in Fremont and around 200 plus a month for San Jose. And on a macro level, we see around 500 to 550 unit per month on the market in the last 3 months in Santa Clara County and around 450 unit per month in Alameda County. However, you can see that the property going into contract or pending are much higher and faster than the number of unit available for sale. And that is an indication of increased demand. And this is what drives the price back up to where it was before. So here's a question for you. Why is inventory so low and steady? Before last year, when seller was selling because they need to, because they either want to cash out or they want to get that high price. Now seller sell because they have to, and that's where the difference is. And I see most of the seller are selling because they're moving out the area, or if they need the equity in order for them to purchase the next home or making their move. So in the meantime, many of the upgrading buyer who already own a home, they don't want to sell their current home. Their interest rate is an all-time low, their payment is minimal, and if they can buy without selling, they're not selling. And when I see upgrading buyers buy a new home, they typically will put their current home on the market for rent, which is a very smart move. I would do the exact same thing. And that's what I did a couple years ago when I make my move. And because of that, we don't see that many inventory on the market like we did before. And on a day-to-day basis, we are seeing very good steady flow of traffic in open house or even during off hour showing. And if a house has a good layout, natural light, move-in ready, or if it's really nice and cleaned, it is going to get sold within a week. And we're also seeing home going way over asking price, multiple offers, and non-contingent situation if the house is priced right. And for most home buyer will need to pay a premium considering the low inventory. So the question is, can you get a deal in this current market? there are always exceptions. And if the house is not priced right, if it's not properly marketed, it's absolutely an opportunity for buyers. So when you see this, you have to take it before somebody else does. And I just put my client into contract on a beautiful home below asking price with a week-long inspection contingency. So I'm super excited to get them the key when we close escrow. So in this market, who you work with definitely matter. So how is the market going to be in the coming months? In general, we usually see more inventory and a slower demand during the summer months. And this usually because a lot of buyers go on vacation, they have wedding, there's graduation. We see buyers coming in and out of the market during the summer months. With that said, rate is also a factor. Right now, it's fairly steady, although we are expecting it to increase. And buyers right now are also very sensitive to rate. Many of my buyers are definitely rate shopping, and understandably so. With each rate increase, it affects their buying power. However, they're also adjusting and accepting the reality of where the current rate is. And on top of that, the stock market is doing really well. And so I really expect the market to stay strong and steady during the summer months with potentially minor change if we can get more inventory on the market. And that has been your market update for this month. Now you are in the know. Please click the like and subscribe to get notified of our next video. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.